ThinkPad E14 Gen 4. Processor: Intel Core i5-1235U, 12th Gen. RAM 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Storage 512GB SSD NVMe M2. You will also have access to a full range of ports: Thunderbolt 4, USB 4 trademark 40 gigabits per second, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for lightning quick transfers of data, power, video, and audio. "14" displays, including an FHD 1920x1080 anti-glare wide-angle viewing, 300 nits of brightness, and a huge array of colors. Plus, thanks to Dolby Audio with Harman speakers, you'll enjoy superb audio clarity. Security you can count on. Log in quickly and securely with just your smile or fingerprint. Simply look at the optional FHD hybrid IR camera or tap the optional fingerprint reader built into the power on button, and you're good to go. We use the US Department of Defense's MIL STD 810H standards to create a balance of reliability and durability for every ThinkPad. Tested against 12 stringent standards and more than 200 quality checks, the ThinkPad E14 Gen 4 business notebook will run in even the harshest of conditions, from the Arctic wilderness to desert dust storms.